Good morning all of you. In my previous video, I have already discussed from chapter 1.1 to 1.5. Today 1.6 question number 1. If x and y are two sets, so that n of x equal to 17. N of x, given that n of x is equal to x mod is equal to 17. N of x and number of element of x is equal to x mod equal to 17. N of y is equal to y mod is equal to 23. It is given that n of x union y mod, number of element x union y mod is equal to 38. Find n x intersection y. This we know that x union y mod is equal to x mod plus y mod minus x intersection y mod. Now we know that x union y mod is x mod plus y mod minus x intersection y mod. X union y, it is already given 38, is equal to x mod 17 plus 23 minus x intersection y mod. This means x intersection y mod is equal to 17 plus 23, 40 minus 38 is equal to 2. 40 minus 38 is equal to 2. Second question. If x and y are two sets, so that x union y has 18 elements. X union y has 18 elements means x union y mod is equal to 18. X has 18 element, x mod is equal to 8. Y has 15 element, y mod is equal to 15. How many element does x intersection y have? X intersection y mod is equal to this. So we know that x union y mod is equal to x mod plus y mod minus x intersection y mod. It is already you know. So x in union y is equal to, already it is given that 18, x mod 8 plus 15 minus x intersection y mod. This implies that x intersection y is equal to 15 plus 8 23 minus 8 18, 23 minus 18 is equal to 5. Next question. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi, 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Let people speak Hindi is equal to H. H set is equal to people can speak Hindi. People speak English is equal to E. It is given that 400 people in a group of 400 people. This implies that A union S union E the mod is equal to 400. 200 can speak Hindi. S mod is equal to 200. 250 is equal to 250. 200 can speak English. E mod is equal to 200. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? S intersection E mod is equal to this. We know that same formula. S union E mod is equal to H mod plus E mod minus S intersection E mod. It is already given that 400 is equal to 250 plus 200 minus S intersection E mod. Remember that H intersection E mod is equal to 450 minus 400 is equal to 50. After 50 people can speak both Hindi and English. If S and T are two sets, if S and 2 are sets, these sets, so that S has 21 element, given that S mod is equal to 21, T has 32 element, T mod is equal to 32, and S intersection T mod is equal to 11 element. How many elements does S union T ର mod. We know that S union T is equal to S ର mod plus T ର mod minus S intersection T ର mod. This implies that 21 plus 32 minus 11. 21 plus 32 53 minus 11. 53 minus 11 is equal to 42. Next question. In a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person like at least one of the two drink. How many people like both coffee and tea? Let people like tea is equal to T. People like coffee is equal to C. This implies that in a group of 70 people means T union C the mod is equal to this 17. 37 like coffee. 37 like coffee means C the mod is equal to 37. 52 like tea. T the mod is equal to 52. And each person like at least one of the two drink. How many people like both tea and coffee? Both T intersection C the mod is equal to this. We know that T union C the mod is equal to T the mod plus C the mod minus T intersection C the mod. This is that 70 is equal to 52 plus 37 minus T intersection C. This implies that T intersection C the mod is equal to 52 plus 37. 52 plus 37 is 9, 89 minus 70, 89 minus 70 is equal to 19. So 19 people like both coffee and tea. Next question number 5. If X and Y are two set, so that X has 40 element, X mod is equal to 40. X union Y has system element, X union Y mod is equal to 60. X intersection Y has 10 element, X intersection Y mod is equal to 10. How many elements does Y have? So we know that same question. X union Y mod is equal to X mod plus Y mod minus X intersection Y mod. This implies that X union Y 60 is equal to 40 plus Y mod minus 10. 40 minus 10 30. Then 60 minus 30 is equal to Y mod. This implies that Y mod is equal to 30. अतएव 30 people 30 elements does Y have. Y have 30 elements. This question. In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. How many like tennis only and not cricket? How many like tennis? People like tennis T, people like cricket C. It is given that 65 people A union T union C, T union C the mod is equal to 65. 10 like both 65 people, 40 like cricket, C the mod equal to 40. 10 like both cricket and tennis, tennis and cricket the mod is equal to, and मतलब intersection is equal to 10. So how many like only tennis? How many like tennis? So we know that T union C the mod is equal to T the mod plus C the mod minus T intersection C the mod. This implies that 65 is equal to 40 plus C minus 10. This implies that 65 minus 30. 35 is equal to C the mod. So C the mod equal to 35 means people like tennis is equal to 35. People like tennis, only tennis मतलब if it T, if it is C, the only tennis T minus C, T difference of C, C difference of T only, the only tennis, the only cricket, only tennis, only cricket. मझे A intersection B, T intersection C, T intersection C. It is given that only it is given there what T the mod is equal to 40, T union C is equal to 65, C the mod is equal to 40, C is equal to 40, total da 65. How many like 10 is only? 10 is only mean only 10 is T minus C. Only 10 is equal to T minus C. T minus C is equal to whole T minus T intersection C is equal to T minus C. T minus C is equal to T minus T intersection C. T minus T intersection C. Already C it given that C equal to put it at T. So T minus C is T minus C the mod is equal to T the mod minus T intersection C the mod. T the mod 35 minus 10 is equal to 25. अतः people like tennis is equal to people like tennis is equal to 35. People like only tennis is equal to 25. Like only T is equal to 25. Only T मतलब total T minus T intersection C is equal to T minus C. और T union C minus C is equal to only T minus C. T union C minus T is equal to T minus C. Next. 50 people speak French, 20 people speak Spanish, 10 people both Spanish and French. How many speak at least one of these two languages? Well, it is given that A from mod is equal to 50, 20 speak Spanish, A from mod is equal to 20, 10 speak both. F intersection S mod is equal to 10. अतः F union S mod is equal to F mod plus S mod minus F intersection A mod. 50 plus 20 minus 10 is equal to 60. अतः 60 people speaks at least one of these two languages. अतः 60 people speak at least one of these two languages. Next question. Example, insert example. N of A union B union C the mod is equal to N A the mod plus B the mod plus C the mod minus A intersection B minus B intersection C minus C intersection A plus A intersection B intersection C. Mod is equal to N of A is equal to A the mod. N of B is equal to B the mod. Same number of elements. That is given LHS. N of A union B union C. A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. Mod same. N is equal to mod same. Number of element can it is same. So A union B union C the mod. मतलब A union B union C the mod is equal to A union B taken as 1. A union B taken as 1. That is A union C. A union C. A union C hala is equal to it is taken as A, it is taken as C. A union C the mod is equal to A the mod plus B the mod minus A intersection B the mod. A union B union C the mod is equal to A union B taken as 1 union C. A the mod plus B the mod minus A intersection B the mod. This is A union B is equal to A the mod plus B the mod minus A intersection B the mod plus C the mod minus A intersection C union A intersection B the mod. A intersection C union A intersection B the mod. This is taken as 1A, this is taken as B. A union B. Next A union B is equal to A the mod plus B the mod minus A intersection B the mod plus C the mod minus A B A the mod प्लस बी मोड माइनस ए इंटरसेक्शन बी मोड इज इक्वल टू ए मोड प्लस बी मोड प्लस सी मोड माइनस ए इंटरसेक्शन बी मोड माइनस ए इंटरसेक्शन सी मोड माइनस बी this is b intersection c b intersection c this is b intersection c a intersection c mod minus b intersection c mod minus minus plus a intersection b intersection c mod that is a intersection c intersection b intersection c that is a intersection b intersection c mod. Repeat a union b union c a union b taken as a union b a mod plus b mod minus a मतलब a union b intersection c mod. Next a union b is equal to a mod plus b mod minus a intersection b mod plus c mod minus a intersection c union b intersection c a intersection c union b intersection c b intersection c intersection b same. Next a intersection b a mod plus b mod plus c mod minus a intersection b এটা a mod plus b mod minus a intersection b mod minus a intersection b mod मतलब a intersection c intersection b mod. Next simplify a mod plus b mod plus c mod minus एतिकी minus a intersection c minus b intersection c minus minus plus a intersection c intersection b. In a survey of 600 students, 150 students were found to be taking tea, 225 taking coffee, 100 taking both tea and coffee. Find how many students were taking neither tea nor coffee. Neither nor मतलब A union B रो whole dash. A union B is equal to either tea or coffee. Neither tea nor coffee मतलब A union B रो whole dash. How many people like neither tea nor coffee, that is a union b रो whole dash मतलब here a this is a union b रो whole मतलब a union b रो whole dash is equal to u minus a union b, this is u minus o union b. It is given that in a survey of 600 student मतलब total 600 student है, total u is equal to 600 student, total in a survey 600 student मतलब u रो mod is equal to 600. Then 150 students were to be taking tea is equal to 150, coffee is equal to 25, tea and coffee is equal to 100, tea and coffee is equal to 100. Next अतः t union c mod is equal to t mod plus c mod minus t intersection c mod 150 plus 225 minus 100, that is 150 plus 225 is equal to 375 minus 100 is equal to 275. अतः t union c रो whole dash रो mod is equal to u minus t union c is equal to 600 minus 275 is equal to 325. अतः 325 students were taking neither tea nor coffee. Next, in a survey it was found that 21 people like product A, 26 like product B, 29 people like product C. In a survey it was found that मतलब people like product A is equal to A, people like product B is equal to P, people like product C is equal to C. Given that A mod is equal to 21, B mod people like product B is equal to 26, people like product C is equal to 29. Next 14 people like product A and B, तो A intersection B mod is equal to 14. Next 12 people like product C and A. C intersection A ର mod is equal to 12. 14 people like product B and C. मतलब B intersection C ର mod is equal to 14. Next 8 people like all the three products. A intersection B intersection C ର mod is equal to 8. It is given that. Next we know that A B C. Here A B C. This is A ର mod is equal to 21, B ର mod is equal to 26, C ର mod is equal to 29. Next A intersection B is equal to 14. A intersection B. Next B intersection C is equal to 14. C intersection A is equal to 12. Next A intersection B is equal to 8. Question: how many people like product C only? Product C only मतलब इधर. This is product C only. This is only C. Only C. Only C is equal to this is 14. This is 8. That means this is 6. This is 8. This is 14. मतलब this is 6. This is 8. This is 12. Total 12. That means this is 4. 8 plus 8 plus 6 14. 8 plus 6 14. Total 29. Total C is equal to 29. अतएव only C is equal to what is total C is equal to 29. Only C is equal to 29 minus 4 plus 8 plus 6 minus 4 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to 29 minus 18 is equal to 11. either उसको इस तरफ करो, नहीं तो टोटल A यूनियन B यूनियन C, टोटल A यूनियन B यूनियन C, A यूनियन B यूनियन C माइनस A यूनियन B, टोटल A यूनियन B यूनियन C माइनस A यूनियन B इज इक्वल टू ओनली C, इज इक्वल टू ओनली C. टोटल A यूनियन B यूनियन C माइनस A यूनियन B इज इक्वल टू ओनली C. तो अतः और एक दूसरा तरीका और टाइप है. तो टोटल A यूनियन B यूनियन C माइनस A यूनियन B इज इक्वल टू ओनली C. ओनली C मतलब C माइनस A माइनस B. दिस इक्वल टू ओनली C. दिस इक्वल टू ओनली C. अतः A यूनियन B यूनियन C ର mod इज इक्वल टू A ର mod प्लस B ର mod प्लस C ର mod माइनस A इंटरसेक्शन में माइनस B इंटरसेक्शन C माइनस C इंटरसेक्शन A माइनस प्लस A इंटरसेक्शन B इंटरसेक्शन C. A इंटरसेक्शन A द mod already given that A द mod is equal to 21 plus 26 plus 29 minus 14 minus 14 minus 12 plus 8. That is 21, 22, 84 minus 30 is equal to 44. And A union B ର mod is equal to A ର mod plus B ର mod minus A intersection B ର mod. That is equal to A ର mod 21 plus 26 minus 14 is equal to 47 minus 14 is equal to 30. 47 minus 14 is equal to 33. अतः we know that only C मतलब C minus A minus B is equal to A union B union C ର mod minus A union B ର mod is equal to 44 minus 33 is equal to 11. अतः 11 people like product C only. देखो वो भी 11 था